It's actually pretty good. That's really cool. Well, the 2 minutes was better. And you can see how it's applying the powder to the print. Then it will go into oven to bake. It's finished cooking. We will have to use a heat press and to press it on a t-shirt, but I don't like how the press is situated, so I will be using the screen printing machine instead, so that I could actually align everything properly. The first one looks a little bit warped, but let's see if the heat press machine could actually fix that issue. Now we just need to wait for it to cool down, and hopefully it's will be better. Maybe it doesn't look bad, I guess. It's very nice. I will say it's pretty good. It's pretty good.